Well, Statistics Canada says the economy grew in the first quarter of the year. For more insight into the latest GDP numbers, we're joined live by CTM's Jeremy Sharon from Ottawa. Jeremy, what do the latest numbers show us?
Well, CJ, this is a crucial update and one many are watching closely. The last data economic update prior to the Bank of Canada's next rate update, which everyone will be watching closely, as many predict a rate cut is on the way. So this update on the economy from the first quarter says that GDP grew by 0.4% in the first quarter of 2024, and the economy grew at an annualized rate of 1.7 in the first 3 months. These are you look at it from the outside and you think, well, it's a good thing. That 1.7% rate is actually short, though, of what many economists and forecasters had predicted for the first quarter. And so this is a softer start for the economy to 2024 than many had predicted, and not quite the bounce back from an overall soft year last year that many were expecting as well. Now, the growth in the first quarter was mostly driven by higher household spending, which was up by 0.7%, and spending on services, which was up by 1.1%. Those are two factors that, despite the fact growth missed targets, those are two factors there that the Bank of Canada will be watching closely as they continue to trend upwards. They have upward momentum, and when people are spending, that is not a sign of a weak economy. That is not a sign of people that are having a hard time. So the fact, though, that overall the economy's growth fell short of projections is a good sign when you look at it in terms of trying to determine whether or not we'll see a rate cut next month. The Bank of Canada has held its key interest rate at 5% since June of last year, and many are closely monitoring that rate and, of course, waiting for this next update in June. It's predicted, many now believe, that it will be the first time the Bank of Canada will cut its key interest rate, which, of course, many people are watching closely in hopes that they can start to see their mortgage rates start to come down. So this was a crucial update, and it kind of paints a picture of an economy that is starting the first quarter of this year a little bit softer than expected, which again points in the right direction for the possibility of a rate cut in June.
Okay, a lot of people looking forward to that, especially those renewing their mortgages. Thanks so much, Jeremy.
Yeah.